yan? What's that?
Onigiri.
Onigiri. Got rice and seaweed wrap
Uh-huh.
with meat inside.
Ayan. Pull it on one side. Pull the middle part and then pull the sides. And wrap it around. Wrap it around. And bite.
Brewing my coffee. It's done.
Uh-huh. Good.
And what's that one? Another one?
Kita yung sunroof dapat nakaharap doon.
By Eastern Victoria. Sunkus. Like a 7-Eleven.
Okay, there you go.
Open it on the side.
There you go. Presto.
Got wrapped in egg and then rice shrimp inside for less than $1. Well, where's my brewed coffee? On top of the garbage. So all the executives eat here too. Sarap? Good? Good? Okay.